Health benefits of turmeric milk. Number 1, improves digestion. Number 2, fights cold and cough. Number 3, cures insomnia. Number 4, purifies blood. Number 5, detoxifies liver. Number 6, lower cancer risk. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of turmeric: gives relief from a cough and cold. Turmeric milk is used traditional remedy for a cough, cold, and other respiratory tract infections. Number 2, solves digestive problems. You can tackle most of the digestive tract problems with turmeric. Number 3, it is a liver tonic. Laboratory tests and clinical studies have demonstrated the ability of the curcumin and turmeric to prevent and reverse liver cirrhosis and fatty liver. Number 4, an excellent blood purifier. Turmeric has always been regarded as an excellent detoxifying agent. Number 5, improves reproductive health of females. Turmeric acts as a mild phytoestrogen, promoting the reproductive health of females. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric milk benefits. Number 1, helps in weight loss. Turmeric milk consists of essential omega-3 fatty acids and other agents and break down accumulated fat and exists in weight loss. Number 2, promotes quality sleep. A glass of turmeric milk with honey and cinnamon before bed can help you get a good night's sleep. Amino acids in them help regulate sleep cycle. Number 3, improves heart health. It reduces the level of bad cholesterol and increases the level of a good cholesterol. Number 4, enhances digestion. Curcumin and turmeric possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may promote the health of gastrointestinal. Number 5, strengthen bones. Turmeric milk is rich in vitamin D and calcium, essential for strong bones. They can help prevent bone lesion. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric health benefits: medicinal properties, anti-inflammatory, terminative. Main applications: number 1, relieving inflammatory pain. Number 2, improving digestion. Number 3, supportive compounds. Number 1, curcumin. Number 2, termiron. Medicinal actions: both curcumin and termiron protect cells of oxidative damage, lowering inflammation. These compounds also help prevent atherosclerosis, regulate LDL cholesterol levels, improve digestion and relieve constipation. Curcumin has also been linked to reduce incidence of neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. How to use turmeric? Number 1, raw. Number 2, dried. Number 3, juiced. Number 4, powder. Number 5, caution. Number 5, infusion. Number 6, poultice. Number 7, tincture. Number 8, capsules. Did you know turmeric is rich in manganese, a mineral that plays an important role in tissue generation as well as in bones health, blood clotting, and the production of sex hormones. Turmeric nutrition: vitamins, calories, minerals. In turmeric, calories 29 calories. Vitamins E 42 mg, alpha tocopherol less than 2% DV, vitamins choline, B9, K, B3, B5, B5. Water 1.21 g, protein 91 g, total fats 31 g, carbohydrates 6.21 g, dietary fiber 2.1 g, minerals in turmeric 1861 mg, manganese, iron 5.17 mg, copper 122 mg, manganese 20 mg, K, potassium 196 mg, zinc 42 mg, phosphorus 28 mg, less than 2% DV, minerals, calcium and selenium. Ways to include ginger and turmeric in your wellness routine. Number 1, add them to salad dressings, sauces and stir fries. But to use fresh ginger in ginger shots, tea, smoothies, soups and purees. Use ginger root extract or powder to make tea. Take curcumin supplements, add turmeric to add pop of color to dips, dressing rice balls, casseroles and frittatas. Have half a tablespoon of turmeric powder with a sprinkle of black pepper to boost its absorption. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Important health benefits of turmeric milk. Number 1, fights inflammation and joint pain. The curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can fight inflammation and joint pain. It can also help individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. Number 2, promotes skin health. Turmeric is used as a remedy for many skin conditions and is If to keep the skin glowing, curcumin is also known to enhance skin protection and promote collagen synthesis, which help fight the signs of premature aging. Number 3 keeps brain health. Curcumin helps cut the risk of depression, anxiety, and age-related cognitive decline. It can also promote a better mood, adding cinnamon and ginger to the milk can have added benefits as they increase the levels of neuroprotective patients in the brain. Number 4 promotes heart health. Adding ginger and cinnamon to turmeric milk and consuming it regularly has been linked to reduce risk of heart disease. Curcumin fights inflammation and ginger lowers bad cholesterol levels. Number 5 boosts immunity. Curcumin has an immunomodulatory effect that promotes the functioning of T cells, B cells, macrophages, and killer cells essential for the body's immunity. Number 6 strengthens bones. Cold flu remedy. Number 1 turmeric tea along with ginger to soothe the cold and cough. Number 2 detox. Make turmeric drink to flush out toxins. Number 3 painkiller. Turmeric can help reduce inflammation in the body. Number 4 good sleep. The Ayurvedic medicinal spice is widely used to aid in sleep quality. Number 5 brighten skin. Mix aloe vera with turmeric for an overnight skin brightener. Number 6 sore throat. Make a sore throat soothing gargle with turmeric. Number 7 add turmeric into your diet to boost your immune system. Number 8 weight loss. Use turmeric along with apple cider vinegar to make a flat tummy drink. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of turmeric. Turmeric has things like herbal medicine and traditional medicine. The compounds contained in turmeric and essential oils have an antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, and antitoxic role. Many foods that can benefit from the addition of the spice turmeric. Reduced inflammation. Number 1 reduced inflammation. Number 2 enhanced brain function. Number 3 antioxidant properties. Number 4 improved heart health. Number 5 research suggests that might prevent cancer. Number 6 research suggests that might prevent cancer. Number 7 control blood sugar. Number 8 maintain digestive health. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric benefits for men. Number 1 helps in muscle recovery. Turmeric active part. Curcumin helps to increase the pace of muscle recovery and helps to reduce pain and swelling. Number 2 boosts cognitive function. Turmeric helps to decrease the chances of getting depression and anxiety. It improves the mood and gives relaxation to the tensed mind. Number 3 promote cardiovascular health. Turmeric's active part curcumin helps to protect against various heart disease and improve good cholesterol in the body. Number 4 improves bone health. Turmeric helps to reduce the risk of getting osteoporosis by improving the health of bones. Make joints healthy and bones stronger. Number 5 beneficial for liver health. Turmeric helps to detoxify the liver and decrease the chances of getting disease like fibrosis and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which is mostly common in men. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Surprising benefits of turmeric. 7. Number 1 anti-inflammatory. The pigment is turmeric comes from curcumin, and curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory comparable even to prescribed patient or NSAIDs. Number 2 heart disease and cholesterol. Curcumin works in a number of different ways to help the heart disease. It works as an antioxidant to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and it increases LDL receptors to give LDL cholesterol more places to go and do its job, preventing it from spending too long in our bloodstream and oxidizing. Number 3 arthritis. A recent study showed that the effects of curcumin on rheumatoid arthritis were comparable to those antioxidant to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and it increases LDL receptors to give LDL cholesterol more places to go and do its job, preventing it from spending too long in our bloodstream and oxidizing. Number 3 arthritis. A recent study showed that the effect of curcumin on rheumatoid arthritis were comparable to those of a medical anti-inflammatory when dealing with morning stiffness and joint swellings. 5. Number 4 vitamins and minerals. Turmeric is a good source of other vitamins and minerals such as iron, fiber, vitamin B6, copper and potassium in just 2 tablespoons. It has 10% of our recommended iron intake. Number 5. Cognitive health. Perhaps one of the most important and interesting applications of turmeric is for cognitive health. Turmeric has curcumin, and curcumin has at least 10 non-neuroprotective actions, so it helps our brain in at least 10 different ways. Number 6. Liver. Number reach onto liver enzymes, which are the markers that are used to measure liver function. Number 6. Thyroid function. Turmeric is a rich source of many vitamins and minerals, including manganese. In fact, just 2 tablespoons provide 17% per daily recommended intake of this vital mineral, which helps maintain proper thyroid function. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric uses benefits: turmeric coffee, turmeric tea, golden milk, turmeric fat bombs, turmeric healing paste, turmeric lemonade, turmeric supplements, turmeric soups, turmeric in stir fries, turmeric water. Number 1. Benefit of turmeric uses. Number 1. Anti-allergy. Number 2. Anti-cancer. Number 3. Antifungal. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory. Number 5. Antiviral. Number 6. Heals wounds fast. Number 7. Helps control blood sugar. Number 8. Immunity booster. 9. Number 9. Improves digestion. Number 10. Improves memory. Number 11. Prevent tooth decay. Number 12. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Number 13. Reduces arthritis symptoms. Number 14. Reduces risk of heart disease. Number 14. Reduces symptoms of depression. Number 14. Helps with aging. Number 15. Promotes a longer lifespan. Number 16. Natural painkiller. Number 17. Protects lungs. Eat 5 benefits of drinking turmeric water. Number 1. Helps to reduce inflammation. Number 2. Boosts immunity. Number 3. Improves digestion. Number 3. May help to lower blood sugar levels. Number 5. May lower the risk of heart disease. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Soothes digestion. Number 2. Supports fat metabolism. It boosts immunity function, immune function. Number 4. Improves skin complexion. Number 5. Supports strong bones. Number 6. Enhances joint mobility. Number 7. Promotes healthy blood pressure levels. Number 8. Improves circulation health. Number 9. Fights brain aging. Number 10. Supports liver health. Number 11. Promotes a positive mood. Number 12. Supports healthy blood glucose levels. Number 13. Antioxidant. Number 13. Antioxidant support for eye health. Number 14. Promotes beneficial gut bacteria. Number 15. Supports respiratory health. Number 16. Promotes balanced LDL cholesterol. Number 17. Improved sleep patterns. Number 18. Efficient muscle workout. Number 19. Supports detoxification. Number 20. Possesses antioxidant qualities. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Surprising health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Natural remedy. Number 2. Improves digestion. Number 3. Helps in detoxification. Number 4. Good for heart health. Number 5. Purifies blood. Number 6. Fights cough and cold. Number 7. Good for skin health. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric powder, 100% pure and natural. How to use? Number 1. Cook food. Number 2. Apply skin. Number 3. Add to milk. Number 4. Heals wounds. Number 5. Use for cough. Eat healthy, stay healthy. A golden spice. Number 1. Turmeric for heart health. Helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 2. Turmeric for skin health. Fights acne, reduces scares. Provides antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Number 3. Turmeric for brain health. Improves memory, mood, and protects brain cells from inflammation. Number 4. Turmeric for digestive health. Stimulates bile production, increases digestive enzymes, and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 5. Turmeric for joint health. Reduces inflammation and helps alleviate joint pain. Number 5. Number 6. Turmeric for weight loss. Boosts metabolism, reduces inflammation, and hampers fat tissue growth. Number 8. Other bonus benefits: delay aging effects, support liver health, boosts eye health. Ways to use turmeric consumption: Number 1. Turmeric tea. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Number 3. Cooking curries. Number 4. Turmeric infused oils. Number 5. Turmeric water. Application: turmeric paste for the skin. Number 2. Dissolve in bathing water. Turmeric powder benefits: Number 1. Anti-inflammatory, very strong antioxidant. Number 3. Lowers risk of heart disease. Number 4. Delays aging. Number 5. Fights depression. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of turmeric: Number 1. Regulate blood sugar. Number 2. Faster healing. Number 3, lower inflammation. Number 4, ease arthritis. Number 4, lose weight. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric benefits. Number 1, hydrates the skin with dark spots. Number 2, suitable for all skin types. Number 3, in skin appearance. Number 4, sensitive skin formula. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of turmeric. Number 1, natural anti-inflammatory. Number 2, natural antibiotic. Number 3, natural antiseptic. Number 4, natural analgesic. Number 5, speeds up wound healing. Number 6, improves digestion. Number 7, blood purifier. Number 8, strengthens ligaments. Number 8, strengthens ligaments. Number 9, skin tonic. Number 10, helps coughs. Number 11, improves asthma. Number 12, anti-arthritic. Number 13, slows progression of MS. Number 14, helps prevent gas bloating. Number 15, lowers cholesterol. Number 16, stomach ulcers. Number 17, skin conditions, psoriasis, eczema, etc. Number 18, help prevent cancer, breast, prostate, skin, colon, lymphoma, leukemia. Prevents progression of Alzheimer. Number 20, strengthens fat metabolism and weight management. Number 21, reduces side effects of chemotherapy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. 5 health benefits of turmeric. Number 1, when used in the supplement form, turmeric always has higher levels than when used as a spice for cooking food materials. Number 2, helps preventing kidney problems. Number 3, prevents Alzheimer's. Number 4, relieves irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Number 5, effective in arthritis. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Health benefits of turmeric for kids. Number 1, anti-inflammatory agent. Number 2, strong antioxidant. Number 3, boosts digestion. Number 4, antimicrobial agent. Number 5, protects teeth decay. Number 6, heals wounds faster. Number 7, natural painkiller. Number 9, speeds the healing of bone fracture. Number 10, protects skins. Number 11, great anti-allergic. Number 12, treats asthma. Number effects of turmeric curcumin. Number 1, anti-inflammatory in nature. Number 2, promotes heart health. Number 3, mood enhancer. Number 4, aids in weight loss. Number 5, improves cognitive ability. Number 6, promotes healthy cholesterol. Number 7, lightens dark circles. Number 8, prevents acne. Number 8, prevents acne. Number 9, moisturizes skin. Number 10, healthy hair growth. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric. Number 1, improves brain health. Number 2, improves digestion. Number 3, supports healthy inflammation levels. Number 4, supports liver health. Number 5, improves insulin sensitivity. Number 7, reduces oxidative stress. Number 8, immune booster. Number 9, improves metabolism. Number 10, supports healing process. Number 10, number 11, supports healthy cholesterol levels. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric targets 10 factors in cancer development. Number 1, improves inflammatory response. Number 2, protects against DNA damage. Number 3, disrupts cancer cell lines pathways. Number 4, destruction of cancer cell mitochondria. Number 5, disruption of cancer cell cycle. Number 6, arrests stem cell development. Number 7, turns off cancer cell apoptosis. Number 8, reduces inflammatory prostaglandins. Number 9, angiogenesis effect on cancer cell. Number 10, slows metastatic activity. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric for clear skin, glowing skin, treats dark circle, removes facial hair, clear pigmentation, combats acne. Try and see results. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Turmeric is great for you. Turmeric supports healthy inflammation response associated with physical overexertion. Number 2, ginger, antioxidant that supports general well-being. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.